Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to activate a device on Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that, of course. Of course, you need to also go and subscribe to Netflix, as Netflix it has a subscription option. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list, and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and activate a device on Netflix. So first of all, go launch Netflix app on your streaming, so smartphone or smart TV, Apple or whatever. Then you need to go and log into your Netflix account. Then a code will appear on the screen. Note down this code. Then open the web browser and another device, for example, your computer or phone on them. And then when you do that, go to Netflix activation website. And that website, I'll be giving you this here. So as you see, how to add and activate Netflix website. Then enter the activation code you noted down earlier. Log into your Netflix account again on the activation website. The device should now be activated and ready to use with your Netflix account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.